The attorney representing several cruise ship workers who've been stranded at sea blasted the government over its handling of the matter. Jennifer Housen has taken issue with what she deems as the slow pace at which the administration is moving to bring the nationals back home. Kelisha Williams has that story.
1,044 Jamaicans locked in isolation for weeks on board the Royal Caribbean cruise line Adventures of the Seas. Their glimmer of hope to be home was dashed Monday morning when the ship was not allowed to enter Jamaican waters but had to stay off the coast of Haiti while negotiations with the Jamaican government continued. Attorney at law Jennifer Housen, who represents 55 of the Jamaicans, is livid.
There are people who are distressed. When you hear big man a bawl, people who could be your father, your mother, your sister, your spouse, your child, a bawl.
The attorney says she has been in contact with them for the past few weeks and has heard the psychological deterioration the uncertainty of being away during a pandemic is having on some of them.
There are persons on the ship with mental health issues as we speak. I can send you the voice note.
Miss Hudson, please. I need to go home. I really want to go home, Miss Hudson. Please to work on it.
It's over 2 months now we've been locked away in this cabin. Locked away. Not even key we get for this cabin. I mean, you know we cannot come out. Because if you come out and the door closed, you cannot come back inside. You have to call security if you open the door, which is not good for you. You understand? Over 2 months. So, and I tell you, this thing is getting to me right now.
The outrage has also been seen and heard on social media. One person who said a relative is among those on the ship did not mince words in blasting the government.
This is the second video I make because my mother is on that ship with the 1,050 odd people or 40 odd people on board. And right now, the ship have to turn away and gone back at 80 because them wouldn't even allow them to stay in the Jamaican space. Now, this is a ship with 1,000 odd people on board, Jamaican people.
Ms. Housen expressed disbelief that the same problem is happening again following a similar issue last month where another ship with Jamaican workers left the nation's waters and was headed to Europe with them because they did not get clearance from the government to dock. She says that not only has the government had enough time to create a plan, but that not allowing a Jamaican into his own country is a breach of the Constitution.
Section 33F1 of the Jamaican Constitution says every Jamaican has a right to enter Jamaica. I don't want to hear anybody telling me about, yes, but what if they bring coronavirus? That was the government's plan. From the 2nd of February, we were aware of students in Wuhan who were crying to come home. Have we forgotten about them? So since then, the government knew that it should have started making plans for anybody wanting to come home.
It's not like we leave Jamaica, earn our money and spend it somewhere else. All the money we earn is coming back to Jamaica to help our economy, and the government treating us like this? Tell me, what kind of situation is this?
There are suggestions that some of the distressed workers may take legal action. However, Attorney Housen would not comment, saying the focus is now to get them home. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.